how to make Formulator V1 type Vegas Pro. Those are my favorite software to make on a Light Motion and KineMaster. First, add spectral map. All of these. 0. Place 0. Repeat 62. Now color 1 and 2 and 3 default. Replace color red and replace color with red. Oops. New color is blue. Threshold 14. Feather is 19.4. Okay. Replace color with yellow. New color orange. Threshold 676. Feather is 200. Now add another. Replace color with gold. New color yellow. Threshold 28. Feather 178. Where already that one? Oh, I messed up. I keep messing up. Okay. Now replace color. Replace color. A little bit of light blue. New color white. Threshold 28. Feather 176. Oh, I keep messing up. Okay. Oh, there are too many of them. Okay, well, I keep messing up. Okay, hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Replace color with cyan. New color black. Threshold 3. Feather 200. Ooh. Okay. Replace color with yellow. New color orange. Threshold 35. Feather 152. Now the last replace color gray. New color black. Threshold 14. Feather 69. Now starting with the TV now. First, add tiles. Stretch axis. Angle is 90. Scale 105. Now another stretch axis. Angle is default. Scale is 103. Now scale is 54. Now turbulent displace. Strength is 12. Evolution minus 50 to 100. Just like that. X. And then scale. Stop video. Okay, scale 140. Stretch axis. Scale 140. 185. Now go to KineMaster and then find someone else's template. Press the video. And now find 4ormulator V1. Press mix. When it gets to 100%, press and then save as video. A light motion, back to a light motion. My other one was not even typed Sony Vegas. Now press media, add layer. Oh, okay. Now extract as audio. Delete the layer. And this is the result. Okay, guys, I gotta hold it because I don't want you to hear it. Now, export. Save video. Now go to YouTube. Even do this or go to your channel if you want. Press plus, manage, select more media. Now press the video. Press next. Title time. So this one's going to be the fixed version. At last I'm going to put fixed. Like fixed. Fixed because the KineMaster one was not even good. Type Sony Vegas. Now upload. Done. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.